guys, it's 8:30 in the morning. I got my coffee. I'm tired. The R32 finally showed up this morning. We're gonna start masking everything off. We'll probably get around to cutting like 9:30. We'll probably start. If all goes well, probably around noon. The rears will be done, and then Phil should be over around 2 to 3. I'll take you guys along the process. Good morning, Josh.
Good morning.
You ready? You ready for today?
Yeah.
You ready for the 10 hours of slavery?
I always am. It's not like we haven't spent 10 plus hours in a garage before.
What's your favorite part about this process?
Seeing the look on the owner's face when we start cutting their car.
Take the wheels off, and then we're gonna go ahead and start.
Take the wheel liners out.
And we gotta start pulling the side skirts. I definitely don't want to cut those. So now what we're gonna do is pull off these spats, preferably without breaking them, and these side skirts. So we've had our first success of the morning.
Side skirts.
First side skirt off. It's held on all the way down by 3M on the top and hardware on the rear. I'm working on the rear spat. There's the side skirt.
You guys having fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like enthusiastic.
Yeah, boy.
Like I said, compared to those rear spats, these aren't shit.
Just fucking take.
So, got it?
Go. Hold it down. Gucci.
Ew.
Yeah.
It's like bird shit. We got the side skirts off both sides. Got the rear spats off finally. We have to make it less thick to make it more thick. Now it's time to start kind of cleaning, masking, and we'll be able to start fitting panels.
This shit we won't really be able to.
So I got that masked up on the rear. He's working on getting the 3M off. Probably mask that when he's done with that. I'm gonna get to this side, start masking this side. We should be good. Oh no! Oh no! That's all we got?
We've given her all she's got, Captain.
Why did he get fucking duct tape?
He saw blue and he was like,
Oh, this is it?
Sharpie was kind of shitty. He won't ever notice. Tucker doesn't look up. The only enemies I have are in front of me.
Slow and steady, I suppose. We'll get there. I like working with this car because it's real simple. Real simple, straightforward. Man, dude, that looks so good.
Alright, so update on this. We finished the whole right side of the car, getting ready to do barge cuts. Got the front panel installed, got everything all mocked up. Steven is currently taking out the well liners on the front of the vehicle. Once I get those cut, I'll try and get as much clearance for him as I can, and then I'll pie it out. Josh is currently working on the well liners as well, but we're gonna get this side done afterwards. We're just more concerned about getting the rears done right now because we're on a time constraint. You ready? Yep.
Look at that fucking cut. God damn.
I've had a little practice. Still a little bit of rust. It's just a minimal amount, really, compared to the other side.
Good. That's some good shit right there.
I like it.
Hell yeah.
Oh, hey, Josh.
Hi.
How's it going? Finally got these ground down. Now we just gotta go over it with some sealant. I'm about to mask it up so sealant looks all pretty. Of course, we got this all done. So dope. It looks so disgusting from here because it's like pasted onto the masking tape. It looks like someone threw a fucking bucket of that shit at it. The magic is when the tape comes off. If it seals, she's good. Getting a kill shot over here, single-handed. Texas Ranger!
Texas Ranger.
We're talking about you. Hey, let me see your belt buckle.
Yeah, let's show us your belt buckle.
Hey Tucker, show me your belt buckle.
Fuck out of here.
Texas Ranger.
It's not a belt buckle.
Texas Ranger!
It's not a belt buckle.
Finally finished.
Yep.
How do you feel?
Fucking excited.
Hell yeah.
Ready to get some bigger wheels.
Bigger wheels, better fitment,
Some more paint.
more paint.
Tucker, how do you feel?
I'm freaking tired.
Me too. My
I am
legs hurt.
super beat.
Josh,
It was a long day. Busy, productive, but long day.
that's disgusting.
How we do it?
Got the full experience.
Yeah.
You got the works, bro.
Most people just see us do dumb shit on video.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta capture every moment.
Mm-hmm.
Every
And listen to all of our annoying shit.
Mm-hmm.
Wanna take our picture? Our might as well, right?
Yeah.
I could just set it up on video, use his little tripod thing,
Yeah.
and then I'll just screen cap it. Final touches. Ooh, doctor. Ooh, doctor.
Please cut it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, when it's not on, it looks fucking.
It looks weird as
Yeah.
shit. And then
But
like
now
with it
it comes
actually
out,
on
it's
it.
good.
It looks good.
Hell yeah.
It kind of ties in the back of the bumper.
Yeah, it's the fucking white fender in the back.
I know when.
I'll tell you when. Are you good?
Yeah.
Stop. Hell yeah.
Find an awkward place to stand.
Oh, okay. I thought it was.
We're doing a group
Get down
picture.
where you usually go?
Yeah, I'm always the.
Okay. On three, we'll do some kind of thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay. So should be good.
Cool.
That'll be a screen cap.
It's not awkward at all. Dude, that looks
That's
sick.
fucking crazy.
Wait, Tucker's aired out.
That feels bad, man. That feels bad, bro.
Fuck.